Anumita Roy Chaudhary, Executive Director, Center for Science and Environment. Let us look at the problem. Today, Delhi, if you look at the air pollution control measures that Delhi has already implemented, it has begun to take action in nearly all sectors. So let us understand the first generation action in Delhi. It shifted the polluting industry out of the city. It converted two of its power plants to natural gas. It implemented one of the largest natural gas vehicle program in the city and also improved the emission standards for vehicles. Now this means it has taken action in the area of industry, in the area of vehicular pollution, in the case of power plants. With all that, we did see improvement in Delhi's air. But when we are looking at the new data, when we are looking at the new trends in air pollution, it is very clear that whatever air quality gains that we had made with the help of first generation action, we are losing all that. And the simple reason for that is that one pollution source which is increasing very rapidly in the city are the vehicles. Today, Delhi has about 8 million vehicles and adding 1,400 vehicles a day. If the problem continues to grow at this rate, it's going to swamp all pollution control efforts in the city today. And that's why vehicular pollution has become one of the focal point of pollution control. But keep in mind another point, that in contrast to industrial pollution and power plant, because their levels will vary across cities depending on whether you have many of them in the city or not. But in case of vehicular pollution, it is also the cause of very high exposure because vehicles emit within our breathing zone. And that's the reason why our vulnerability goes up, because constantly we are inhaling extremely toxic emissions. We know the motorization has taken off, vehicle numbers are growing, but what we are more worried about is the trend in dieselization. If you look at the buses and trucks, they use diesel, but we are finding that even in the car segment, use of diesel cars has increased very rapidly. In the year 2000, diesel cars were just 4% of the new car sales, which has increased to more than 50% by 2012. And this has happened mainly because of our policy to subsidize diesel as well as put lower tax on diesel compared to petrol. And therefore, people wanted to take advantage of the lower fuel price and have moved very rapidly towards the diesel cars. Now, the reason why we are worried about dieselization is that the two pollutants of concern, the tiny particles and nitrogen oxide levels, these are the primary concern from diesel vehicles. At the same time, if you look at the air quality data of the Central Pollution Control Board and Delhi Pollution Control Committee in this city, the levels of the same pollutants are high and increasing very rapidly. So which means that diesel vehicles are actually contributing to the pollutants that are of concern in this city today. And more important, you should know that the World Health Organization has reclassified diesel emissions as class 1 carcinogen, putting it in the same bracket as tobacco smoking for its strong link with lung cancer. That is a reason why we are more worried about dieselization today. Diesel emissions are of serious concern. In fact, we have looked at the trends and we have found that 2008 to 9 onwards, when the dieselization has really begun to gallop, around the same time, the particulate matter and the nitrogen oxide levels have also increased very rapidly. So this means that the diesel-related pollution, and it is going high, just not because of the increase in car numbers, but also because of the heavy influx of truck traffic from outside Delhi. You should know that when we look at the air pollution trend today, there are actually 3 pollution peaks in 24 hours. 2 during the two traffic peaks in the day, morning and evening, but there is also a third peak during night when all the trucks come inside Delhi. And they absolutely pollute the atmosphere, the air, and in fact, our own monitoring shows that the early morning air is extremely polluted in Delhi. But that is a time when people actually go out for exercise and for their, all that is needed for health. So clearly, therefore, what we are seeing is that diesel is a serious concern in this city. Delhi's pollution requires aggressive and very stringent measure in different areas of intervention. When we talk about vehicular pollution, we need to improve the vehicle technology and fuel quality very quickly so that we can bring clean fuel and the best and the cleanest technology to the city as quickly as possible. At the same time, we need to keep in mind that only by improving the technology we are not going to solve the problem. This will require a massive transition in the way people travel in this city. We have to reinvent public transport. We will have to scale up walking and cycling in the city so that we can reduce the dependence on personal vehicles. And at the same time, when we give options and more options to people to travel and not use their car, we also need to ensure that those who own and use a car, they pay the right price for the car, which means we need higher taxes, we need higher parking charges so that you can discourage people from using the car. So we have to take all these measures in totality, and only then we will be able to make a difference.